feel like this question pretty much has like the oldest XPS fluid power barriers. I feel like this one here, this question has like the oldest XPX barriers ever. You see them all messy and everything. Even this light here is messy like, only they got LEDs and neon arms back in either 2016 or 2017. Wilmington just had like a Y30, which is this one here. That one over there, but this one here was different like. Like it sounded a bit like Canterbury to Dustin's in Kent. I'm not too sure, it might be just this one here. So that's just with old XPX bars, a Y and alarm there. And then the ZM. And here for hard carcass service, how was that? Just says NI where it was. I was gonna do the other side, like, but nope, looks like I don't have to now after this train is gone. 1646 train is always late for some reason, like, I have no clue why, like. This bar is starting to kick again.